Hello guys, welcome back to my Python YouTube channel. And in this Python tutorial, we'll be learning how to plot Moffat function. And this is like very important function used in astronomy. So basically, this is uh, used to draw a stellar light profile from a star. So from its core to wing of the star. So let's plot it. So for plotting, we will import some libraries. So import libraries, and so this is our Moffat profile. So we have I0 equal to central intensity and alpha and beta are its parameters. So let's do it. So first import numpy as np, and then import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. So numpy will take care of array and matplotlib will take care of plotting controls. So now we have say x equal to np dot lin space in a space, say you go from 0 to 100 to 100, and then we put y equal to your Moffat function. So for that, you just define, say you have say I not equal to say 35, and then alpha equal to say 3, and then your beta equal to 4.6. Now 45, and then you have say 1 plus x by say x by 3. You want it to be whole square, so make it whole square, and then you need whole to the power minus beta in power minus, you have beta equal to 4.6. So you have x and you have y. So now let's plot it. So for plotting, type command plt.scatter x comma y. Now run it. So this way it has plotted, but this plot looks like very compact. So plot on a log scale. So for plotting on log scale, you need to plt dot y scale and just type log. See, this time the profile is very different. So basically on like your on linear scale it was like very weird, and so on on log scale this is like looking very different. Okay, so this way you can do it, and better you can reduce the numbers. Yeah, so this is your plot, and you can also add interactive control to the plot. For that, use percentage matplotlib. So this command will add a control to it. See, Here we have like a set of buttons. This is like original. This will go back and forth. You can move using this up down any direction, and this way you can zoom your plot, and you can also get coordinate here by moving the plus sign, and you can also like zoom in, zoom out the figure size, and you can also plot the line if you want. So just type plt dot plot xy, and it will like plot it that way. So now you can give label as, say, color equal to red. Yeah, so this way you can also give the axis level, say plt dot x level. Say we have radius and plt dot y level equal to, say we have intensity. So this way your plot look like that, and you can also give a title to the plot, plt dot title, say Moffat function. Okay, this way you can do it. Now we can also decorate decorate this plot using some commands. So suppose that you want to give a different color. So you want to give color equal to red, and you want it has a bold face. So font weight equal to, say, bold, and you can say font size equal to 20. See this. So see this, how it will affect the X level. Something wrong. Oh, there should be. Yeah. See, you have radius equal to in a red color, and the font size is increased, and it has a bold face. You can make it much more, say 50, and this time you have to go, so better make it, say 35. Yeah, see, this way you can decorate it, and you can also rotate it if you want. So rotation equal to, say, 45 degree. See, your axis level has like rotated by some degree. Yeah, so this way you can do. So you can copy this to like all like levels, and also the title, and just change the color, say green, and then you can say you have orange, and this will do to everyone. See, like intensity has like tilted, and also this one. So like just move by 10 degree, so that does not affect much, and now it's fine. Now we can also write a text in that if you want. So for that, plt dot text. Now give your location. Say you want at 60 comma 10 is to minus 4. So 60 comma, so xy location, then 10 is to minus 4. Now give your text. So just call Moffat function, and you can do all sorts of things using that. If you want, you copy it and paste it. Yeah, see, this way you can do. So basically you want it to be say 40. Yeah, so you can give it like a different color, say red. There is no fat function. Okay, so this way you can do, and you can also write expression if you want. So you can write expression here. Let's say just give a like R mode, and then give a math mode, and then write that expression. Just paste it, and it will see this as. So basically you want to have in a different line. So maybe you can yeah, so this way you can do it. So I hope this has helped you to get how to plot Moffat function and how to decode the plot using like some keywords like boldface text, font size, rotation, etc. So thank you.